Jeep takes another step in the electrification process with the introduction of the new e-hybrid models and confirms its commitment to a future oriented towards sustainable mobility and the strengthening of the zero-emissions, 100% freedom vision. The product line expands with the new Renegade and Compass e-hybrid, which combine the new 130 HP 1.5 turbo petrol engine with a 48-volt, 15-kilowatt electric motor integrated into the new 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. A simple and intuitive powertrain that allows you to maintain your driving habits. The main novelty of the e-hybrid models is the hybrid propulsion system, which, thanks to the electric motor integrated in the gearbox, allows full electric traction. The system is made up of the brand new 1.5 turbo 4-cylinder designed to best adapt to the hybrid application and optimize thermodynamic efficiency and therefore fuel consumption. It operates on the Miller cycle, which improves thermal efficiency and offers a high compression ratio, 12.5:1, a new cylinder head with compact combustion chamber, dual variable valve timing, and special high tumble intake ducts. Also new is the high-pressure direct injection system operating at up to 350 bar. A belt starter generator is also installed in the petrol engine to guarantee fast and silent transitions when restarting. The 15-kilowatt electric motor integrated inside the automatic gearbox, powered by a 48-volt lithium-ion battery, allows you to supply energy to the system, but also to accumulate it in the recovery phases under braking and deceleration. Another component is the DC-DC converter, which manages the dual voltage interface for the power supply of the 12-volt components by means of the energy recovered from the 48-volt system. When the vehicle decelerates, releasing the accelerator pedal to approach a traffic light or during slowdowns, the system, thanks to the e-coasting function, recovers the kinetic energy of the vehicle, reproducing the sensation of an engine brake. This contribution is enhanced by acting on the brake pedal, thus activating the e-braking function, which further increases the energy recovered. During these driving phases, the petrol engine is switched off and disconnected from the transmission. The instrument panel shows the power recovered and delivered during electric propulsion, while the radio display allows you to monitor all the parameters of the hybrid system, such as the total energy recovered and the distance traveled in thermal and electric mode. During restarts, for example at traffic lights, the car starts with only the help of the electric motor thanks to the e-launch function. In these phases, the propulsion takes place in full electric mode. The petrol engine restarts automatically and silently when the driver demands more performance. We then move on to a hybrid drive. While driving, other functions are provided that involve the use of only the electric motor for advancement, including EQing, which allows you to move in congested traffic where several stops and subsequent restarts, stop and go, of the car are foreseen in full electric mode. Even the e-creeping function with the petrol engine off allows you to advance in electric mode without using the accelerator pedal, but simply by releasing the brake pedal. Thanks to the electric motor, e-parking allows you to carry out parking maneuvers at low speed, even in reverse, making them practical and silent even when using the automatic parking system. A further advantage of this new technology is the silent start, which, when the instrument panel is switched on, starts and departs the vehicle without turning on the petrol engine using the EV mode. The new system ensures greater driving efficiency in any context. By calibrating the drive or braking torque delivered by the electric motor, it is possible to operate the petrol engine in the conditions in which maximum efficiency is obtained. Load point shift. During acceleration, thanks to e-boosting, it is possible to emphasize the responsiveness and increase the torque to the wheels with the electric motor that supports the petrol engine. GP Hybrid, another step towards the comprehensive electrification of the full product lineup.